morning, madam. My name is Bharat. I am from Tripoli. My topic is classification of transducer. Introduction to transducer. Transducer are devices that convert on one form of energy into another. They are essential in measurement and control systems across various industries. Understanding their classification helps in selecting the right transducer for specific applications. Classification based on energy conversion principle. Transducers are classified into active and passive types based on their energy source. Active transducer generated an output signal without needing an external power source. Passive transducer requires an external power supply to operation and process a measurability output. Classification based on physical phenomena. Transducer can be classified according to the specific physical phenomena they measured, such as thermal, electric, or mechanicals. From examples, thermocouples measurements, temperature, thought, thermoelectric effects. Piezoelectric transducer convert mechanical stress into electrical signal. Classification based on output signal types. Transducer process different types of output signal, including analog and digital. Analog transducer provides a continuous output proportional to the measured quantity. Digital transducer process discrete signal that can be directly read for digital system. Classification based on use or application. Transducers are tailored for specific application like pressure, temperature, flow, or level measurement. Pressure transducers are used in hydraulic and pneumatic system. Temperature transducers such as thermocouples are used in climate control and transducer process. Classification based on construction. Transducer can be classified based on their construction, such as strain gauge, capacitive or inductive types. Strain gauge transducer measure deformation and convert into electrical signal. Capacitive transducer defect change in capacitance caused by physical phenomena. Classification based on signals conditioning requirement. Some transducer requires additional signal conditioning to produce use enable outputs. Transducer with built-in signal conditioning or called conditioned transducer. Others needed external amplifier or filters for proper signal processing. Active vs passive transducer. Active transducer generated electrical signal directly from the sense physical quantity. Passive transducer depends on external power source and required circulated to the produce an output. The choice depends on the application's power, availability, and measurement accuracy needed. Summary for key classification styles. The transducers are primarily classified based on energy conversion, physical phenomena, output signal, and applications. Each classified serves different purpose and influence that selections process. Proper understanding for this classification enhance the effectiveness of measurement system. Proper understanding of this classification enhance the effectiveness of measurement system. Reference: measurement system applications and designing by Ernest and transducer and instrumentation by DVS Muthuri. Thank you, madam.